Mr. February hobby. So today is a bit special video because today I want to celebrate my 700 subscribers. Yay! So I will not do any giveaway yet because I have my target. When I reach certain subscriber, or like my target is I can reach 2.5 subscribers, then I will do a giveaway for you all. But now I want to do an walk through to my Hot Wheel garage. So this my garage that I make my own. So where are the garage? In front of it is just a wall with the blue color of the paint. So let's go. Oh no, there's a switch, power supply, power outlet, sorry. Okay, yeah, these are the garage that made by me. So this garage actually already been a long time ago. I think almost 2 years, and now I just have time to make it finish or make it done. So let's go through the in front or part by part or place by place of this garage. So now let's go to the front. So yeah, already in front of the garage, which is the parking slot. Yeah, we have 3 parking slots for cars, 1, 2, 3. So only left one empty, and they also have a slot for motorcycle parking. And my garage I provide for motorcycle and cars. Okay, so this is an Toyota Alphard from Tomica, and that is Toyota Crown from Tomica also. And that motorcycle, I don't know what brand because I buy from seller that they sell this one, and I think it's very suitable for 1/64 scale. That's why I buy, and I don't know what brand, but I think it's made from Japan. And this figure, 2 figure are made from Indonesia, and these are 3D maker. They use the 3D machine to create this model. And this also cone I buy from Indonesia also. It's quite nice, very detailed, but I think it's a bit bigger compared to if want to be in the real scale. Now we go for the other side. Yeah, this is also the figure that made by the person that I buy from him. Later I will put the link in description below, the name of the seller. I buy the cone, I buy the figure also. All are made from 3D machine. And this car is an 6x6. Yeah, you can see 6x6. It's not a Matchbox or not Tomica or not and Majorette. It's an fake Majorette brand that I asked my friend to custom it. That's why it's very nice. I thought he want to custom like 6x6 pickup, but instead of the 6x6 he do like this. Sorry for my tongue. And we have the grass here, quite real grass, and then the gate. It's a custom gate also. Yeah, just do it simply because I don't want to create some garage that very clean because I want to make something interesting here. The tarot, it's not a tarot, it's an paint rod. I paint it by myself, but it's quite nice, the road. And yeah, not that big, not that too big for a garage, quite small, but I enjoy it. Can for photography. Now we go to the interior of the garage itself. So here you can see, yeah, I have my own power walker at my garage. See, very nice. This one is from different seller, but he only create one time and not sell again, so it's very sad. And you can see this compressor for tire pressure, and then you can see the dash, for the tools, anything tools that related to the workshop, and also compressor, and that the mechanic to repair the car, and that is a rack for tire, but I haven't buy any tire yet, so just keep left like that empty. Okay, that is an R33 Skyline from Hot Wheels that custom by my friend. Also I do the review also already, and that is also the Evo 10 from Matchbox. I already do the review also. I will put all the material, all the seller that sell this kind of accessories, maybe he can ship internationally. And there is also a table for working, for design, and also the rack. Also this is a second floor. Actually haven't finished yet the second floor because I still find the suitable material for the stairs, because it's not quite a logic where I can do like stair directly upstairs, because I want to do like very nice stairs, so it's be really nice. And this base is sticker, so that's why it look like shiny. Oops, quite move bit. Okay, and this body is actually, this garage is actually made from an unused tissue box, and these are foam. That's why a bit thicker this side, because to make it thicker, that's why I put foam, styrofoam. And this base are made from birthday cake. Birthday cake base. You know, when you buy a cake, they have the base of the cake. That is I use for this. That's why it's not that big and not that small, but it's medium size. But I really like the garage. So if you have any question about this garage, so just comment below. Sorry for I don't know what to say, because these are very spontaneous video. And thank you for watching, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video and like, of course. And thank you for the support for the 700 subscribers. Thank you, everyone. I hope I can reach 1K soon. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Oh, there you punch him. Not like that. Oh my god. Okay, everyone. Thank you for watching. Until next time, for Mr. Baby Hobby. Bye bye.